What up, guys? It's Crypto Ether back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said, guys, I have a really cool video today. I had a ton of people asking me how to get an alpha pass on the Sandbox, right? So I just thought I'd make a quick video and walk you guys through on how to do that. So now, as of now, the quickest way for you guys to get an alpha pass would be to purchase it on OpenSea, right? So once you've logged into your Sandbox account, you can just click this link here and it will take you to all the alpha passes on sale, right? And current price says 1.2 Ethereum. So but they also do giveaways and competitions on their Twitter, and they also give away passes on the Sandbox live stream. So I'll just walk you guys through how to do that real quick, okay? So for instance, on December 9th, right, they had you go behind the DJ booth in the Sandbox, right, and do the hop hop near this DJ here, right? So let me show you an example here. So as you guys can see here, this is me dancing behind the booth here, right? So I just did a quick screen record, and yeah, I was just dancing away, doing the hop hop right next to the mouse right there. So that's all they wanted you guys to do, and they just had you guys post that on the Twitter, as you guys can see I did here. And then what you would do is you would grab this link here, right? Copy link, and then you would take that and just fill out the form, right? The Google form that they had listed here, guys. So it's really simple. Um, Unfortunately, I didn't win the Alpha Pass, but it's all good. I'm still hoping. I still have faith that I'll get one before the 20th, right? So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed and definitely just entering in every single giveaway I see. I'm joining every live stream. For instance, I want to show you guys this too. This is the official Sandbox channel. So just wait for them to do live streams on this channel, guys, and they do drop alpha passes in the chat. You guys just have to fill out the Google form during the chat while it's open. It only stays open for a little bit of time, right? So, just fingers crossed, guys. And yeah, I really hope that you guys win yourselves an alpha pass. I also am taking donations for a alpha pass. If anybody wants to donate me theirs, I'm sure they won't, because guys, this alpha pass is absolutely insane. There's just a ton of earning that you can do. Let me show you guys here. I will show you. Let's see here. I want to show you guys these prizes, rewards, right there in front of me. So, guys, as you guys can see here, you can earn up to 1,000 sand, which is a lot, and then plus all of these insane NFTs. Like, guys, I'm just really excited for the Sandbox. I really want an alpha pass. I'm definitely doing everything I can to achieve to get one. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some insight on how I'm doing that, and that way you guys can possibly get one too. My fingers are crossed for you guys as well. So just make sure you're staying tuned to the Twitter giveaways that they're doing, and also the YouTube live streams, and also they live stream on Twitter and Facebook, and I may be forgetting some other platforms as well, but it's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and just stay tuned to their if there's any other place that they stream, right? So let's see here. Oh yeah, they did a meme giveaway as well, and I also entered this. They just had you guys make a meme for them, a Christmas themed one, and they gave away an NFT for the top three memes, and then 25 alpha passes. So that was a huge giveaway as well, and I definitely entered up into that one. So fingers crossed on that one as well. I just saw a ton of cool memes coming out, just a really cool competition to take part in. And fingers crossed, guys, maybe Christmas will come early for your boy. So let's keep going up here. See, I believe that was the last giveaway that they did. Besides the live streams, right? Because there was some live streams that went on. Um, and they did give away some alpha passes there as well. Unfortunately, your boy struck out on those as well, but we're going to keep it rocking and keep entering, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get your guys's, alpha pass, right? Really, really cool. Huge metaverse, guys. I highly recommend that you guys do your own research and just look into the Sandbox. I believe it's going to take over this all of 2022. Not financial advice, right, guys? But yeah, it's Crypto Ether. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hope you guys get those alpha passes out there. And yeah, I'm out of here, guys. Enjoy your holidays. Peace.